National Institute for Aviation Research is committed to the industrial modernization of materials and manufacturing by integrating and merging digital twins, materials for Industry 4.0, metal additive manufacturing, and workforce development programs. NIAR engineers are able to seamlessly integrate advanced materials in manufacturing and engineering operations. Using digital twin technology, legacy vehicles such as aircraft or ground vehicles are disassembled, scanned, and reassembled virtually, allowing for efficient part repair and modification. Collaborative efforts with federal agencies and industry result in qualification of advanced materials such as metal additive manufacturing, providing fast, cost-efficient repair and modification solutions. These programs all involve students gaining hands-on experience in the latest technology. NIAR also offers industry-focused trainings in advanced machining, additive manufacturing, Industry 4.0, and machine learning in order to advance the adoption of smart manufacturing technology. The integration of cutting-edge digital engineering and advanced manufacturing is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. NIAR maintains expertise in the most advanced technology to aid manufacturers and early adoption of these processes, ensuring that Kansas and the United States remain a global powerhouse for aviation and manufacturing.